Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I've got a sweet 1955 Chevrolet pickup truck, 5-window. This baby's got beautiful silver paint on it. It's got the 235 under the hood, 3 on the tree. Man, I can't wait to show you this beauty. Now, if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put this baby on the lift so you can see how nice the underside is. We're going to get under the hood. We're going to get in the bed. We're going to get in the cab. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a really good decision on your truck purchase. So come on up and let's fire this baby up. Check this beauty out. I love the chrome grille in this baby, the chrome bumper, the silver paint. And you guys that know body work know silver is really hard to lay down nice and even. The paint on this truck is phenomenal. Body mat on this truck, A+. All the trim rings look good, the emblems look good, nut covers look good. This is steel fenders all the way around, steel running boards, and that's what everybody's looking for right there, that 5th window. Look at those door jambs. Absolutely beautiful job. It looks like a brand new truck. The bed sides are nice and straight. Rear bumper chrome looks great. It's got all the standard hardware for the gate. The gate opens up fine. Look at the floor here in the bed. Absolutely beautiful. All the rungs are nicely painted. All the fasteners are new. The bed sides are straight as an arrow. Look at that silver paint just sparkle in the sun. What a beautiful, and it is just as even as can be. Look how easy that door opened. Just a beautiful, beautiful truck. Now, Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check these things out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we run them through an inspection process that allows us to answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out this beautiful interior. Check out the paintwork, beautiful. The door panel looks great. The little armrest, all the chrome on the handles is in good shape. The paintwork on the dash looks good. The lenses on the gauges look great. Steering wheel's in great shape. And look at the upholstery on this seat. Man, is that baby comfy. And check out the headliner. She's in great shape for an old Chevy pickup truck. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's go for a ride in a Chevy pickup truck. This baby is sweet. You guys that watch the videos all the time know we had one of these on the farm when I was a kid. I learned how to drive. An old 3 on the tree. Down here on the dash, everything looks great. Speedo's working. Looks like all the gauges are working. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. And look at the paintwork on that hood. Looks like a big silver mirror. Look at that tree. Look at the blue sky. You can see the jet stream up there. Man, this thing looks sharp. She's driving awesome. Look at that, no hands on the wheel. These little Chevrolet half-ton pickup trucks, man, they made a billion of them, but there's not very many left, because you know why? These babies went to work every day. Guys got in these things and went and earned a living. They wore them out, rusted them down, beat them up. So to find one in this awesome shape, I tell you, this is a really rare find. These things were built to go to work. Not like today. No soccer moms driving the kids to soccer practice in one of these. If you owned one of these, you put it to work, made some money with it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we love to have visitors, so please come on out, come see us, we love it. Now we're about 20 minutes from the airport, so if you're in town on business, you got time, come see us. Heck, if you need a ride from the airport, give me a call, we'll send somebody down to pick you up. Brakes feel real nice on this truck also. It's a real rare find. Of course, silver is one of my favorite colors. Look at this baby go through the gears, and she is just purring. Look at that, no hands on the wheel, just purring. Well, here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. Just give us a call, let us know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite vehicle here at our main location. Now stick around, because we're gonna do something you don't often get to see. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside also. All right, we're underneath this little 5 window now, and she is nice and clean under here. She's got a 12-bolt rear end in her. There's right around a 307 gear in there. The guys rolled it over to count it, and it is not posi. You can see it's got a pretty good stack of springs there. It does have drum brakes out back, and one of the things we'll do here is we'll pull those brakes apart and inspect them, make sure the wheel cylinders are good, make sure everything's installed correctly. It's got a newer exhaust system on it. It's got brand new wood in the bed, and you can see all the fasteners are new also. The rear fenders, I don't see any evidence of any patchwork, and they've got a coating on them. It looks like a bed liner coating, very nice and clean. Running boards are also steel, and they've got that same coating. The cab corners are beautiful, and it all looks original to me. I don't see any patchwork there either. Frame is nice and clean. Back sides of the rockers are nice and clean. Battery's right here in the stock location. We got the Saginaw 3-speed, and we don't believe, I don't think there's synchro on first gear in this baby. You got to pretty much slow down to a stop to get her in first gear. Of course, these trucks were built to go to work every day. And obviously, this one didn't have to work. This was a lazy bum. This baby must have stayed in a garage its entire life, because it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that rocker. Look at the end of it. Back side of the front fenders, again, they've got the coating on them, and I don't see any evidence that it was ever messed with. No patchwork. Front brakes are also drums, and we will also take those apart. The guys will check the kingpins. Guys will check out all the steering. You can see the bottom side of this stove bolt 235. This is a high pressure oiling system motor. It's all nice and clean here. You can see the exhaust system's new up here also. Front bumper was definitely re-chromed. I see they still got the washers on the end there where the chromer welded the washers to dip it down in the chrome. All the hardware on the bumper is also new. Bottom side of the valance is painted. This is a beautiful truck underneath, guys. Well, let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got nut covers, trim rings, and painted rims. Let's see if I can find a size. Yeah, they're 16-inch. We got 225, 75, 16s. And look up in that wheel well how nice and clean everything is. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back, same thing. Good looking nut covers, trim rings, and looks like the same size tire too, 225, 75, 16s. Well, let's get under the hood and see what she looks like. All right, under here we got the 235, the old stove bolt straight 6. The Rochester carburetor sitting on there. Now the guys have checked out the casting numbers. This baby was cast in June of 54. So we do believe all the numbers line up. So this is probably the motor that this thing was born with. So we're gonna call it numbers matching. Look at the paintwork on the firewall here. You can see that all the wiring is new. It's definitely got a new harness in it. Everything's been painted up nicely. Pull into any car show with this baby and pop the hood, and you're gonna create a bunch of oohs and ahs on this baby, because this is exactly what it looked like back in 1955, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.